Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today I am just going through a really easy DIY photo collage wall. So I chose frames that were all the same size and color. You can definitely change this up. I got all of my frames at Dollarama and sent off my photos to print at Costco. So now I have inserted all of the photos into the frames, and the first thing I'm doing is I'm laying it out on the floor. This makes it a lot easier. You can move things around and just see how exactly you want to line them up before you start attaching them to the wall. So now I've got my layout and I'm ready to go. So what I'm going to use to attach them is just some 3M strips. And the only other things you'll need is a ladder, a level, measuring tape, and a pencil, and you should be set. So I'm just going through and attaching all the 3M strips to the back of the frames. I'm putting 2 on each frame. So I found the center of where I wanted to start and hung the first photo, and then I'm just working off of that. I believe I spaced them about 1.5 inches or 2 inches apart on each direction, so it's still, when it's done, will still kind of make like a square type shape. And it's just that easy. So there you go, a super easy DIY to do in an afternoon or part of a day, and I think it just adds a little something fun.